You want to go viral? And I'm going to show you how with these simple tips that will get your videos millions of views in no time. Hi there, welcome. It's Pedro from Zebracat. In social media marketing, hooks are essential. They're used to grab your attention and stop you from scrolling past a video or post. So imagine you're watching a TikTok video. Which one of these should you keep watching?
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about my experience shopping for groceries in Vienna. 5 tips you want to know when shopping for groceries in Vienna.
The difference between these two is clear. The second video uses a hook that grabs the viewer's attention and makes them receptive to your message. So when creating videos for social media, make sure you use a strong hook that will grab your audience's attention and make them want to engage with your content. I'm going to share with you my top tips for creating hooks that will make your videos go viral. Tip number 1 is to first introduce a problem and offer a solution. For example, in this video, the speaker starts by saying that her boss asked them to do an impossible task and then shows a video with the solution. Let's watch the video.
Type first name, hit enter, Ctrl E.
Tip number 2 is called the three-puncher. In this approach, grab the attention of your audience in 3 stages. The first stage is to make them feel the trendiness of the topic you're discussing. The second step is to explain the practical steps that need to be taken. Third step is to use strong words to show your confidence in what you claim. Let's watch this video together.
Forget ChatGPT. Here are 3 AI tools that will blow your mind. Number 1 is Mixo.io. You can launch a website in seconds with just text.
See? It reinforces the 3 key points and encourages viewers to stop and watch the video. First, the speaker mentions ChatGPT and then proceeds to explain 3 AI tools. Throughout the presentation, the speaker speaks with confidence and uses powerful words in every sentence. Examples of such language include, "Don't use ChatGPT or blow your mind and you need to know." The speaker is firm and decisive with her language, leaving no room for doubt. Tip number 3 is to use well-known brand names to attract attention. Using a famous brand name or person with a strong personal brand at the beginning of a video can attract both fans and detractors, increasing the likelihood that they will watch it. For example, you could use the name Mr. Beast or talk about Coca-Cola or any trending brand name in a way that is related to what you want to say to a brand, which can help attract viewers. What is the 4th step? Be short, concise, and useful. In this world full of content, we must try to get the user's attention in the shortest possible time. Try to explain the benefit of your content to the user in one short and completely to the point sentence. Look at the video.
With ChatGPT and Zebracat, you can create more than 10 video ads in less than 2 minutes. It's super easy and you're going to love it.
Next tip is to use numbers. You've probably seen people say, 5 tips to improve your visual identity, or 3 tools you didn't know about. Uses statistics and numbers to grab people's attention. For example, strong hook and grab the audience's attention by using numbers.
For powerful ChatGPT prompts for entrepreneurs. Number 1. Generate an item model for your business.
The next category of traditional marketing methods is storytelling. Marketers have always been encouraged to tell a story, and its storytelling can be an effective hook to engage the audience. You can begin by introducing a situation, and people would naturally be curious about what happens next. Then you can continue narrating the story throughout the rest of the video.
Girlfriend and I are going to use AI to create a travel guide for Florence, Italy.
For instance, the speaker and his girlfriend are going to travel to Italy, and they want you to prepare a guide with AI. So you might be wondering what happened next. Did they succeed? Hook is one of the most important things that it can attract the audience to watch your video and also will even purchase from you. So do not underestimate its significance. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe. We regularly upload videos about video marketing and AI tools. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave us a comment down below telling us which hook writing method you usually use for your videos.